ameliorate, improve, make better, enhance. The new community garden project will ameliorate the quality of life in the neighborhood. Amenable, easily persuaded or controlled, cooperative. The children were amenable to cleaning up once they realized they could play with toys again afterwards. Amenity, a desirable or useful feature, a convenience. The apartment complex offers many amenities, including the pool, gym, and dog park, making it a desirable alive. Amiable, friendly, likable, personable. Her amiable personality made it easy it her to make friends wherever she went. Amnesty, a pardon, an official forgiveness, a period of grace. The government granted a general amnesty to all political prisoners, allowing them return home and rebuild of lives. Amoral, lacking a moral sense, indifferent to a right or wrong. A newborn baby is amoral, as it not yet developed of a sense and right and wrong. Amorous, expressing or feeling romantic love or sexual desire, loving. Their mesmerous glances and tender touches made it clear how deeply in love any they were. Amorphous, lacking a definite shape or form, formless, undefined. The artist's sculptures are amorphous, constantly changing and evolving with no fixed shape. Anachronism, a thing belonging or appropriate to a period other than that which it exists, an error in chronology. The discovery of a riches in a pharaoh's tomb is a fascinating anachronism that baffles historians. Analogy, a thing comparison between two things, typically for XPPLA and ATIO and or clarification or error in chronology. An analogy can explain how the heart is like pump, circulating blood through body, just a brain is like processing information through neural pathways.